I'm Simone Thomas, and I am a program manager with iUrban team. I manage various programs, but one of the programs I'm managing now is this iSports program. The mission for the iSports program is so that students have the chance to explore different careers in sports outside of just being an athlete. Some of the careers that they'll be exploring is sports medicine, sports journalism, sports tourism, the data analytics side, and also fan engagement and customer service. Our target audience is students of color, but we are inclusive, so anybody is welcome to join our program. The NBA Foundation grant impacted our program intensely because without them, we wouldn't have the funds to be able to do the program. So it's a great thing that we're able to now roll out 3 cohorts in this city. We also have programming in Dallas as well. It was great for us to get that money so that, kids have the opportunity to join this program and explore other sports careers.